guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face with this Colourpop Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Of this stuff, it smells so good. That's really going to help hydrate my skin, and then I'm going to use, I have two CoverGirl primers here. One that's mattifying, they both say new. One pore minimizing and one mattifying. I think I'm going to use the pore minimizing one. Actually, maybe I'll be a little extra and then put the mattifying on my forehead because that's where I get the most oily. So I'm going to take this purple one right here. So I'm going to put it on my nose and then a little bit on my cheeks because that's where my pores are biggest. I'm going to try the mattifying one and I'm going to put it on my forehead. This one is white. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so I need to ask you guys this. There has to be a name for what I'm about to tell you. But first, let me tell you what foundation I'm going to use. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage. Really like this one of my favorites. But I'm going to mix a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible one just to give it, like, this is a demi matte finish, just to give it a little bit more of a matter finish because I really like this one. But I'm going to add this one too because I'm being extra today, okay? What it is, but I have like a certain issue with sounds, like random sounds that I hear that will just annoy the shit out of me. It will make me so furious that, like, once I hear it, I can't unhear it and I can't ignore the sound. That's why I don't like any type of ASMR type of stuff. Like, I can't. I don't like it. It's annoying. I can't. But for instance, like, last night I decided to watch some YouTube videos. And I was watching this girl's video. She had long nails. I mean, not too much longer than mine, just a little bit longer than mine. I've had them that length before. It was like nothing too extreme. So she was telling a story or explaining something. I don't even know what the fuck. I don't know what she was. I don't even remember because I was distracted by the noise. But she kept making the little sound with the nails. Like, she kept doing this and like, so she kept making the sound with her nails and it was so fucking annoying. And honestly, I think noises like that bother me so much because it's just so unnecessary. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not happening on its own. You're making that happen because I have long nails and I don't do that. I mean, sometimes, yes, when you grab something, it might make a sound, or like on your phone, or just like, yeah, when you grab something, you know, but like when I'm talking like this and I'm talking with my hands, they're not making any noise. But yes, if I clank them together and I go like this, they're gonna make the sound. And it was just, she kept doing it the whole time she was talking. Like, I'm telling you, I was just getting so pissed off. I had to click out of there. So I clicked out of hers and then I went to watch another one, right there. The concealer that I'm using is from JCat Beauty and it is called Stay Assurance Concealer. Really like this one, especially. I think it's only like $7, I think. I click on to watch another video and it's a vlog. This girl's talking, and as she's talking the whole time, she's smacking her lips. She's like smacking her lips, like everything she says, and it's just like, and I'm like, oh my God, are you serious right now? It just annoyed me so much because, again, it's like unnecessary. You're making yourself do that, you know what I'm saying? And it's just fucking annoying. It's just annoying. Thing is, it's like once I hear something like that that bothers me, especially like somebody chewing food, oh, that's the worst. But once I hear somebody do it, I can't ignore it and it will just drive me crazy. I just feel like that has to be something. There's got to be a name for it or something. If you guys haven't tried this concealer yet, you should. It's so... To set that, I'm going to take the Milani translucent powder and I'm going to set under my eyes with that. And then to be a little extra, again, I'm going to take this Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation from JCat Beauty, and it's a powder foundation, and I'm just going to apply that over the foundation that I have. I guess I'll just use the sponge that it comes with. The first thing I'm going to take is this Wet n Wild palette. I really wish I knew what it was called, but as always, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. The first color I'm going to take is a top matte transition shade, and I'm just going to use a Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm going to run that into my crease. Do not sleep on this palette. It was so good. I was so surprised. And then I'm going to take this more rusted color and go further into the crease, and I'm just going straight back and forth into the crease in windshield wiper motions. I was really surprised. The pigmentation is really, really good. It lasted all day because, you know, some drugstore palettes, they kind of like fade out. And then I'm taking the matte brown color. The colors blended out really good, and I hardly had any fallout. I was so surprised by this palette. So the next color that I took is not that one that I'm pointing to. It's the next one over, the orange shimmery shade. And I did wet my brush when I applied this just so it could be a little bit more pigmented. But the other shimmery shadows were a little bit more pigmented than this one. But still well worth it for the price. And then the lower lash line, I just added a little bit of the matte brown color. Another really good product that I tried is the new Profusion Wing It eyeliner. It's brand new. I think it's only $3.99 or $4.99, and it was so good. It's a really dark matte black eyeliner, and it didn't feather out. It's lasted a really long time. It was actually hard to get off. It was really easy to use. I love this eyeliner. And then in my waterline, I added a Colourpop brown, which I forgot to show. And then for lashes, I used the new Ardell fake mink ones, which were really, really pretty. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Milani Baked bronzer in 09. I forgot I had a brush under there, but this is 09. I guess I'll do my nose with that color too. I'm going to take CoverGirl's Loose Mineral Powder and just kind of cut my cheeks a little bit. I'm also going to put a little bit here. Kind of make my nose a little bit smaller. I'm going to use another Milani product, and it is Luminoso Blush. All of these products have worked so good so far. For highlight, I just got this Pixie Plus Rach, I think her name is, Loves. The Layering Highlight Palette. I just got this in the mail, so I figured I would use this one. Looks really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to spray my face again with the Colourpop setting spray. Changed my mind. I think I'm going to mix Lace and Tea. I'm going to mix these two right here. Whoa! Did not expect that. Whoa. I did not expect it to be that strong. And I barely put anything on my brush. But I do like a strong nose highlight. Lips, I have this Colourpop Luxe lip set. I hope by the time this video goes up that this will still be available. It has 6 lipstick colors in it, and I figured I would try to use one of these. I think I'm going to use Bikini Bottom. Oh, that feels really pretty, but it's a little bit lighter than I want it to go. I'm going to go over it with a little bit of lip gloss, and it's the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Intersection. I'm just going to use a little bit on the bottom.